You can do it. Come on, Mark. You're catching him. Don't let him know you're catching him.
Who's winning in the pie eating, guys?
Mark's catching
there
up.
were pies at Superstore that were 4 times bigger than this, and I thought that would be cruel and inhumane. Like, we're talking like pies that are 2 pounds. This is only 550 grams. It's like a pound and 100 grams. Like, what's wrong with you guys? Eat your freaking pie.
There's still more in there, dude.
Why are you taking so long to eat your pie?
Let me use my hands. It'll be gone in 5 seconds.
We made him use their teeth to open the package.
Darren, that's
Cardboard
brilliant.
tastes
I'm going to tell the other team
disgusting.
they have to do that. You must use your teeth.
It frustrated Mark a little bit.
No wonder. Cardboard tastes disgusting.
Oh, don't throw up, Mark.
Mark, can I just...
Come on, Mark. They want one
That's
picture.
disgusting.
I want to just post it on YouTube.
Chewy, you're almost done. Yeah, come on, just eat
Come on.
some of it in there, and then I guarantee that he won't be able to get it.
Shake them out. I don't know. Cardboard tastes good.
Dave just starts eating cardboard.
He's so hungry. He's so
Wow,
hungry. He
David,
just
you're
started
pathetic.
eating the cardboard.
That's fiber.
But it tastes disgusting, so it's not worth it. Trust me, I know.
Fiber, but it might still clog you
You're gonna catch him, Mark.
You know, eat it.
You're gonna
Eat some of it in there.
choose.
You can do it.
I'm not passed out. I swear.
Choose running out of steam.
Can we put this in here?
Huh?
Can we put this in here?
Are you on team 4 or team 3?
I'm on that team.
Well, get over on team 4 side. Now what are you asking
He's
me?
catching up.
Can you
Start
put
eating.
that there?
Yeah, he can do it.
Come on.
Put it in his plate.
Put the cardboard down.
Perfect. That's good enough. That's it. That's all you have to eat.
Look how close
you get. Oh, that's whatever.
Are you gonna nominate for the pie eating contest?
What do you mean?
Cardboard is disgusting.
Do you want to eat the pie next time? What team are you? Team 1 or 2?
Come on. My Caitlin wanted to.
Caitlin wants to?
Yeah.
Come on.
Okay.
I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Come on, Mark. You
Pie in
just
your
about
nostrils
caught
is
him.
disgusting.
You just about caught him. Come on, Mark.
Chewy. I want you to know.
Where's team 3 encouraging our man?
Eat.
Where's team 3?
Come on, Chewy. Chewy. Eat that pie.
Hey, where's team 3? We gotta encourage our guy.
You can do it, Chewy.
Bottom layer.
We have the rhythm.
Chewy.
We have the beat. Chewy.
I would laugh if you made us eat like the inside, like.
Come on, man.
No.
Don't give up. Don't give up.
We got your rhythm going, Chewy.
Come on.
Stop
Come
that
on,
pound,
Mark.
man. It's screwing
Come
me
on,
up.
Mark. You can do it.
Chewy, he's almost done.
Mark's gonna beat.
Come on, Chewy. Just eat. You can do it, Chewy. What happened to eating a bucket of KFC?
You're gonna catch him, Mark. You're gonna catch him.
You can do it, Chewy.
Come on. Chewy. Chewy.
Do some stretches.
Come on, Mark. You're gonna beat him. He's like running out of gas.
Don't let go.
When I'm finished, my
Get it all
nose is gonna be
down
like
the legs.
smashed up like this. I swear.
Fill up the legs. Maybe it's stuck somewhere. It just happened.
It's still in his mouth. He's got a mouthful. How about we work on swallowing the mouthful?
Yeah, Joey, Jay.
I'm gonna
Come on, Chewy.
Ah!
Chewy.
Come on, Mark.
Chewy.
Come on, Mark.
No, you don't win. You don't win
Yes,
until you.
I win.
No, you didn't give up yet. Chewy.
Before finish, I win.
Keep it going, Mark.
Chewy.
Got it.
Chewy.
Back up.
Okay, just eat some of the pie and he'll forfeit.
Yeah, he's almost done.
He'll forfeit.
Give her, Mark.
You give up?
Come on. Kick his hiney.
Fight until the end, boy.
Get him. You're gonna persevere.
He's like a
Mark's gonna.
You can do it, Chewy.
This pie would have been gone 10 minutes ago if I could use my hands.
Can I?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Can we use our hands now, please?
Yeah. Use your hands.
Use your hands.
Wait, how are we gonna clean our hands?
Quick, quick, go, go, go. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Whoever swallows first. Oh my god! Mark, go! He's
Go, Chewy. Horrible. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Put it in your mouth.
Come on, Mark.
Come on. You're almost there, Chewy.
Come on, Mark.
Almost there.
Come on,
One more
Mark.
bite. One more bite.
Come on! Can the audience like...
No.
Oh, it's coming out of your nose, Mark. Oh my gosh.
Just a
Oh my
little,
god, that's disgusting.
just a little bit, Mark. You're okay. Come on, Mark.
He does it.
Get down there.
He's
Just tap your throat a
get
little bit.
sick. He's gonna get sick. You get sick, you win.
Tap your throat.
Come on, Mark.
his throat.
You can do it. Oh, come on, Mark.
Come on.
Let's
Get another bite.
stuff it all in there. Get it, Mark.
Just swallow. Swallow it all. One
Get it
big
all.
bite.
Get it all in there. If you get it all in there, you win.
Do it.
Don't
As
have to
soon
worry
as
about
you do it,
Get it all in
as
there.
soon as you do that, okay, you win because you ate all the pie.
Always don't worry about
Hurry, Mark. Hurry. Get it in there. Stuff it.
it. Okay, don't worry about choking. We know Heimlich.
You're gonna win. Come on, Mark. Stuff it. You win.
Come on,
Look at it. He's got one handful. He can't get in there. Hurry, Mark. Just stuff it in there.
I will puke if I keep doing it. You want me to puke all over
No,
you?
no, no, no.
Almost
Mark.
there. You're almost there.
Chewy's got one handful
pretend
left.
it's candy.
Oh, poor
Then it's chicken.
Chewy.
It's chicken.
Come on, Mark.
Go on,
Just
Chewy.
about. Oh, come on. Oh, you're almost
Stop
done.
talking food to him.
He says he can eat a bucket of chicken and not pie. So.
His mouth is full.
it?
You have a chance. He has to work
Oh,
it
he's
too.
gonna be sick.
Announcement to make. That is why the chicken